So I'm here to help you log into Classlink from your computer at home or a tablet at home. The first thing you're going to need to do is to open up a web browser like either Safari, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Once you get into one of your web browsers, you are going to click in type in www.leonschools.net. This is all lowercase and without any spaces. Okay, so it's www.leonschools.net. Once that page loads, you're going to see the Classlink icon on the right-hand side towards the top. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then over here, you're going to click on the green button that says log in with username and password. And this is where you're going to need your student ID number. Your student ID number begins with 171 or 180. Click on that. And so over here where it says someone@example.com, this is where you're going to enter your 171 number or 180 number. So as a test. And then Shift 2 to get to the @ symbol, edu.leonschools.net. Okay. When you're on campus, you just put your student ID number in here and you don't have to put in the @edu.leonschools.net. But when you are off campus, you have to put that in there or you won't be able to log in. And then you'd enter your password here and then click sign in. Okay, and then this page will load and it will give you access to all of your different applications that you have available according to your account. So this will change depending on whether or not you're in elementary school, middle school, or high school. But what we're going to do today is look at Office 365 very briefly so that you can access two specific things. The first one is your email. The second one is Teams. And there's also a separate button here for Teams as well, but you can also access it through Office 365. Go ahead and click on that. Office 365, once this finishes loading, will give you all of the applications that are available in the Office 365 Office Suite. So the first one we're going to look at is Outlook, which is your email program. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, and this is the screen where when you come in, it might look different for you, but you, if you need to contact one of your teachers, you can click on New Message in the upper left-hand corner. And then once that page loads in the to field, you'll just start typing in their last name. So if I wanted to write an email to Ms. Blue, I'll type her name and then you'll see her first name show up. Some of the teachers have changed their icon so that you can confirm that it's them. Then you would click that, type in your message and then hit send. Okay. Now to get into Teams so that you can check for any assignments and reach the digital classroom, you're going to go back to the Microsoft Office home or within Classlink, you can also click on Teams. So once you load Teams, on the left-hand side, underneath the word where it says Teams, these will be pre-populated with all of the teams that you belong to. So any class that you are enrolled in, if you're in middle school through high school level, any of those classes that you are enrolled in will appear over here on the right-hand side. It might look a little bit different for elementary school kids, depending on the classes that they have you enrolled in as well. But you would just click on any of the links to get to that class. Over here, this is actually my homeroom class. So you'll see that the different activity on the page, you can, depending on the settings that your teacher has set, your page is going to look a little bit different over here. You may be able to speak to other students in class using the text sort of chat room area over here. But if your teachers might also have an area for you to upload assignments, to check any grades for those particular assignments, as well as any files that they have for you to download. Okay, so if you have any questions about loading either Outlook or Teams from home, please contact your school and ask to speak to someone who can assist you. Thank you very much and have a great day.